It smells so good in here. Okay, so y'all remember last week we picked these plants this side. I've got this set up to where you pick this side and then in a week you get to pick this side. So we pretty much are running out of these, but now this side is ready to be picked. And we got some big peppers on this side. Big Corno di Toro Rosso peppers. How do I know they're ready? See how red that is? And when you look at one of these ones over here, see how not red that is? So, and even like right here, see? This is red, but it's not fully red. That's not ready yet. You want them to look just like this. Just like this here. Full solid red. That's a ripe pepper. That's a beautiful pepper. Ready to be harvested.